Are you recording?
Hi, so, who's this?
My name is Kevin.
And?
I'm from Banning, 6 hours away.
You forgot,
Kevin Yang.
No, you forgot your middle name.
Oh, my middle name is Lang.
No! You're funny.
Oh, my middle name is iPopper because this one day, you know, stuff happened with iPops.
So, we're going to,
Kim's Garden.
Kim's Garden, some Korean
Want some
food.
hot, juicy, and Kim's Garden.
Stupid, right? Yeah,
That's
so...
right here?
Yeah, you just So, he has like 4 more hours until he leaves back to Banning.
No, I don't want to go home. 6 hour drive, man.
He's crazy because he came and surprised me, but...
Yeah, but it got ruined, so it's alright.
Yeah, but he's not good.
I'm
The
boss
people
like
he
that.
tells don't know how to keep a secret. So, yeah, we're going to be going to Kim's Garden, and yeah, bye guys.